Hi, I'm Meghan from Fashion Magazine, and I am here with...
Lauren Toyota from Hot for Food.
And what are we gonna be making, Lauren?
I'm gonna show you how to make a vegan bacon mac and cheese skillet.
Delicious, I can't wait.
Yeah, it's pretty indulgent. It's one of my favorite things to make. It's one of the more popular recipes from Hot for Food too, so.
Awesome, let's get started.
Okay, so shiitake mushroom caps are what we're using to make the bacon.
Like, how many different things can you use to simulate bacon?
You can pretty much, you can bake in anything. You can bake in any vegetable because we're gonna make this marinade here, and it's the sweet and the smoky that essentially is what bacon tastes like, right?
So we're starting with the bacon,
Yeah.
but what other steps do we kind of have to go through before we have the finished product?
Yeah, so we need macaroni noodles.
Of
So
course.
I've got water already boiling. It's salted water. Once that's boiling, which it might be soon, we'll boil 3 cups of macaroni noodles. And then I'm gonna show you how to make a really rich, creamy vegan cheese sauce.
Delicious.
And then we'll just quickly make a breadcrumb topping, and then that'll go on top with the bacon bits.
So people know you from before because you were on Much Music as a VJ.
I was already comfortable on camera, already comfortable producing video, and so it was a natural progression to just go on YouTube where you essentially can do whatever you want. And that was the thing, I got all this freedom from the YouTube platform, and it's empowering to do that, you know? And I felt like I always had restrictions before when I was working for network television.
What's our next step here?
Okay, so now we're gonna make this marinade.
Cool.
Yeah, we better
I
hustle,
know, right?
hey? We got a whole skillet to make here. So the marinade is soy sauce or tamari, smoked paprika, which gives it an extra bit of smoky flavor, a little bit of vegetable oil, some maple syrup, and then the liquid smoke, which is just smoke flavor. So Megan, you're gonna throw in the mushroom pieces and then stir to coat them all, and we're just gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. So we're gonna bake them at 350 for 30 minutes, and then you just flip the pieces over halfway through.
So we've got the bacon, we've got the pasta, and now we're gonna do the sauce.
Yeah, so the sauce, it's not that complicated, but you do need a high-powered blender because that's the only way you can blend these hard cashews into a smooth cream.
Okay.
And one of the essential steps is to soak them. I soak them in hot water for 20
Oh, and they
minutes.
do get really soft.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna add spices like chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, vegetable oil, tomato paste, which will help give it a color because this sauce is gonna look orange when it bakes. Nutritional yeast, which is another kind of vegan staple. You're trying to accomplish fat, salt, sweet, and like umami, right? Like a sort of acidic, all over your tongue kind of flavor. So that's where like these acidic things like tomato paste and this is miso paste come into this sauce, and it just, that's how we get that like cheese-like flavor. We're gonna add lemon juice also to contribute to that. And then to thicken the sauce while it bakes, I'm using tapioca flour, but you could use cornstarch or arrowroot flour. And then salt and white pepper, or you could use ground pepper and almond milk. Okay, this is loud.
Okay. But wow, like it's very thick. It's like a beautiful
thick,
texture.
yeah, and it's actually quite a bit of sauce you'll see when we
and
put it.
And it smells so good.
So we can pretty much assemble.
That's the most exciting part. We're getting close to being able to eat it. So the bacon's ready now.
Yes.
How long did we bake that for?
30 minutes.
Okay.
On a parchment lined tray, and it gets.
Look how good it looks.
Dark, chewy,
Can I sample?
sticky. Yes.
It's delicious.
So Megan, this is the like parm I was talking about. I call it the parm. It's ground up raw cashews, nutritional yeast, and salt that I just whiz through a food processor. And I usually just have a huge jar of this in the fridge all the time because I put it on pasta.
Okay.
So we're gonna put a little bit of this into some breadcrumbs as well as oregano, basil, and salt. And then that's just gonna bring even more kind of Italian-like flavor to
and
the
a good
crust.
texture.
Yes. Carefully dump the pasta back into the pot. You can use your hands. I use my hands with everything just so it doesn't spill everywhere.
Oh, I'm getting
noodles in your shirt.
Down my sweater.
This is gonna look like a lot of sauce, but like I said, you want your mac and cheese to be kind of saucy, but it thickens as we go. It's like flooded with sauce. Get it all. You wanna use the spatula to get it out? And then we'll just stir that, coat it all really well, and then we'll put it in the skillet. So you do the bacon. I'll do some breadcrumbs here. And then like we're gonna probably use most of this. Oh, not too much.
Not like that.
You still wanna see it,
but
like,
because it's pretty.
Just get it in there a little.
Oh, I see what you mean. So what is your vegan story? How did you go from being, because you used to eat meat, right?
I love food. I like nutrition. I like looking at food labels. I like knowing where my food comes from. I've always had an interest in that. But yeah, it's just confusing. I get it's confusing. People just don't know what to eat. It's even harder to figure that out now. So it really wasn't until I watched a documentary called Food Inc. that it like started clicking, and I was like, yes, I need to go vegan. Like I need to take more responsibility over like my purchasing power, and like it took me just way too long to get to that point. But by 2010, I was eating vegan, and I started blogging my transition, which is how Hot for Food came to be. So this gets baked for about 20 minutes with foil on top.
Okay. That's not bad. That's like enough time to make for dinner when you get home from work.
Okay, Megan, it's the bacon mac and cheese skillet.
Hand it over.
I gave you a lot.
This is a very healthy helping of bacon mac and cheese. So let's dig in.
I mean, I'm just gonna eat
You're just gonna eat out of that. Let's go. I think this is one of the cheesiest mac and cheeses I've ever had. And one of the best.
I'm addicted to it. It's one of my favorite things.
So where can people, they've seen us made it now, but where can they learn to make this bacon mac and cheese?
This particular sort of amped up version with the bacon and everything is in my cookbook called Vegan Comfort Classics, 101 Recipes to Feed Your Face. And so you can pre-order it now, and it comes out February 27th.
February 27th, amazing. So thank you so much, Lauren.
Thank you.
Thank you. And guys, honestly, make this at home because it was easy and it really is that good.
Easy and cheesy.
Easy and cheesy, that is gonna be the slogan. Okay guys, so we're gonna eat this and we'll see you later. Bye.